Hello, my sisters, today. Give your sisters a shirt. A middle-aged Leonard. 2. With Lebanese material sisters, and here it will have a part. And we'll take a light dip in the hold my stomach. It's about letting your stomach be covered. If you have a big belly, we will be covered. Then the hand, the missus down here, there's a gill, set and withdraw varieties. Now we're going to go in together. The design for this shirt. My sister saw this model. If you like this style, remember to click it. Give me a like. If you love this style, you don't know how to sew it. Also comment, let me know. There are 10 comments. I will show you how to sew. Well, with this model, it will have a folding part. It's in the chest, so here I am. Fold it first. Your house is arranged first, so here I am. Glass on a cloth. But in the process that you are doing, you remember to note for me that we're going to split up on the fabric, twice my own. There will be a glass in the middle. Let me see what I can do for you. Let them be easy to imagine. I'm going to cut this piece in half. Here, you guys. This part is for you. It's arranged like this. And fold this piece in half. Then, with the model, it will be folded. Put these glasses in here. I put it like this. After I cut it, I will expand it. Here's the piece down here we use. Let's do it for the body. Or, hey, you're going to put these pieces in here like this. Then now we're going to start getting into that part. Make sample. With this model, you see the front and back. It will diverge a lot. So that's the word. From down here. You will back up for me. It's about 15 millimeters of gasoline. Then I started. Let's find out the length of the shirt. The front line with the back line will be above is compared to each other. And here's the shirt up here. My shirt is about 60. Then we're going to be shoulder to shoulder. Dividing by 2 is equal to 32 divided by 2 is equal to 16. Then we will take to 2. From here, you take 16 hectares. And then you lower your shoulders to 4. If you touch her, you will take her. Divide by 5 is equal to 30 divided by 5 you get is 6. Equal to 6. Then I connected this 4th street. And then you're going to measure from up here. You measure it down. Give me a piece of your chest. Divide 5 sisters by 2. My here boobs 80. If I divide by 5 plus 2, I get 18. You're going to take it down from top to bottom. I got 18. Way across the road. And then across the chest, you'll take the chest. Divide for sisters plus 280 divided 4 plus 2 is equal to 22. I have 22 acres. Then you'll take it down from up here. Give me the part lower waist. It is 35. way across a road. Then you will take it to the waist. Divide by 4 sisters plus 2. 64 divided by 4 plus 2 is equal to 18. 18 also, start at the edge and measure it. And then the buttocks. Then you get me your ass. Divide by 4 and you add 2. 80 divided by 4 plus 2, we get 22. From here you can measure 22. Then we'll talk. The previous body is also 2. Put this part in. We'll get the flank of the front. At the same time, we keep it that way. Then you'll make a perpendicular line for me. And then we'll build this part to inches back, split it in half. Let's split it in two again. And then with this shirt color. You're going to step back into this section. Give me 2 inches. I'm going to put a square ruler on the neck. Well, draw this one. It's about a year's worth of gas. Then from this gasoline year you measured down. Give me 11 gas. From here to here, it's 11 petrol. And then I started connecting this part and I went to this part. Tim. Then we will get the part. The collar where it's going to get this Tim part. And start the line across the chest. Across the waist, you measure up to 5 petrol. Then we cross a line. Then you'll cut me the answer. For this dress. Then this answer will be big. The year of gasoline. This answer will be a decorative one. You'll put it on and we'll cut it. And we sew it up for the body. That's done with the body first. But this previous body, you notice. Before that, we will pass. And here we're going to reduce 1 gas. But with the back body, we're still here. I still have this length, but... Yes, but you can add 7 gas. These 7 gasoline we will cut. We didn't do anything about it. But we are still lucky. Let's connect this road up here. We may cut this place. And the rest of the time, you're going to hit the hybrid. This is done and the rest is done. Shrimp tail line. Then we hit like this. This part of it will leave. And this part will be connected to the previous part. After the next time, you will. Give me this shoulder is to gasoline. And we'll cut the neck. Body after. I cut it from the back. From here down 3 inches. Then you'll join this part. 7 glasses and drop in. Give me a portion. We will get out the front body and the back of this shirt. My sisters. Now I'm going to start cutting Arabic. Look at this. Cut the back of the body first. Body following. And remember, I don't have a seam yet. This place is a bit missing. When you cut it, cut it. Then we'll cut it like this. For the previous body, you cut the road above. After that, you will cut the road down. Then we'll cut the road above. When you cut it like this, take note. The back body, when I sew it with my shirt. Fortunately, I turned it off. Here he will lie here and this is where you will be. Leave the seam. 2 gasoline sisters bend the edge. This will be a piece. We'll leave a piece. And here you will be lucky. Come on, we'll get a sample. So this is the part where we're going to sew it. And this part is going to be a separate section, leaf chives. You will also sew this part separately. You can put it in here when you're done. Because if I'm lucky, this place is broken. You may have noticed this place. Then the back. The next body is similar to the previous body. It will be smaller than a gasoline. So I cut smaller than a gasoline. The body later. This will be the back. This multiplies for a double. And this place, I'd like you to note. Please note that is. Well, here it is, because the piece of paper you're missing should be this one. It is, but when you cut it, remember to cut enough. Cut it up enough like this. I took the paper and it was missing. This will be the back. Then now we're going to do the previous part. The previous part. In front of this piece, you will cut it according to Tim's neck. That's where we cut. Like this, you expand this part out. Listen to this half. Then you put it back. Put it back. Put it in here in half. And then half of them are over here. We will find a middle way. For the body. Ha! We'll get the middle for the body. When you cut the splint, you cut the splint. I can sew the splint on this place. This is what I put in here. And, you guys, let's go back to this part. Come in here. Here. Blue. Just like you did before. Here's that blue. We'll get the middle piece. You will take a shower here. And we're going to cut the splint here. We'll pair up here. Then we'll get the model. The shirt is like a picture. That's how you're going to do it. Ah, this dress. And now, after we've done the body part, first, we'll continue with the part. A sleeve. If you want to paint the sleeve, you will. Put the ruler in here. The armpit part, body before. Then you'll cut along the blue line. I cut symmetrically for both sides. Ha! You should have doubled up. You cut it and I missed it. And now I'm going to measure the armpit. I can measure that this is 20 hectares over here. I measured 22. I have 20 and 22. Then we'll draw for the sleeve. This sleeve is a short sleeve, ladies. So I got about 45 long arms. Flange sleeve. Then from up here, you measure down to me with your chest. Divide by 10 and give me 5. That's 80 divided by 10 plus 5, we get 13. From here, you can measure down to 13 hectares. Touching a perpendicular line. Then we have a 20 armpit front. The back armpit is 22, so we get 42 divided by 2 is equal to 2. 20 with to 20 with 2. 2 as measured above. Hey, ladies, 2, 20. I'm going to get out here. Then you will set the ruler for me to be 21. If you split it in half, you will get a haircut. Here you are up to number 1. And this sleeve is going to be a little bit of a wiggle. It's slightly under the half blood part. So this part I took out here is equal to 22. Here you go. When you're lucky, you'll pull your breasts back. With my wrist. How long we measure it. For example, myself. In this section, you pull back about 14, up to 16 depending on the handcuffs of my hand, haha. And then I cut the sleeve. Then we get the sleeve part, ladies. Then this hand does not have a front hand. In the front, you will cut it down. Cut down a gasoline like this. The back hand is at the top. Then I look again. Let's make the whole model today. Sleeve body. Please remember to like and support the channel. If anything is unclear, look below and I will answer for you. Bless the whole family.